Dovely is changing the game when it comes to credit disputing, so Dovely uses artificial intelligence, AI, to help you dispute items off of your credit report. You can boost your credit score with Dovely's AI credit engine for free, so getting started only takes minutes. Signing up does not impact your credit score. No credit card is required for the free version. There are no hidden fees, and you can maximize your credit score. So Dovely has two different versions, right? They have a premium version and a free version. The free version is $0 per month. However, there's less functionality and capability. With the free version, you get one dispute per month with TransUnion. With the premium version, you get unlimited disputes with all three bureaus, and you also get credit score monitoring and enhanced identity theft protection up to $1 million. If you sign up right now, the first month is only $9.99. That means you can dispute all three credit bureaus in the first month for $9.99, and then it's $39.99 after. Every day, people find harmful errors on their credit reports, but they don't realize they have a right to dispute them. Let Dovely fix it for you. So, step 1, they're going to show you the accounts that are hurting your score so you can carefully review them for anything that looks incorrect. When you get set up with your account, Dovely will use your identifying information, such as your name, address, SSN, and date of birth, to locate your credit report. It then pulls all of your credit data into their AI system. They're able to detect which accounts are positive and which are negative, allowing you to dispute your accounts. Step 2 is disputing errors, which is foolproof. So don't be afraid to dispute something you believe is an error. There's no penalty if you're wrong, and disputing errors does not harm your credit score. The best part is that you don't have to be a credit expert or credit whiz to improve your score. The smart engine finds the quickest, most effective route to boost your score, so you can enjoy financial peace of mind. Dovely has helped members raise their scores by a total of 2 million points, and they have 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Once you get set up with your account, you'll have a dashboard that looks just like this. Dovely will then pull up all of your credit accounts, and from here, you can click on any account, whether it's a negative or positive account, and dispute it. All you have to do is click on the account and then scroll down to the bottom, where it'll show the payment history. There are 2 buttons you can select: Don't Dispute or Dispute. When you hit Dispute, it'll automatically schedule the item to be disputed. Besides disputing accounts, you can dispute public records if any are available, as well as different addresses that are reporting on your credit report. One of the easiest ways to remove items from your credit report is by removing old addresses or addresses that are attached to negative accounts. Data furnishers often use different identifying marks on your credit report, including your name and address, to identify and associate an account with your credit report. Disputing addresses attached to negative or derogatory accounts can be effective. Once you've submitted your disputes, you can click on Dispute Status, which will give you a status update of what's going on with the disputes you submitted through the Dovely app. It'll tell you when it was scheduled, when it was sent, and when it was ultimately completed. To recap, Dovely uses artificial intelligence to analyze your credit report, identify negative and positive accounts, and allow you to dispute them within the app. You don't need to send out any letters or anything like that. Just hit the dispute button, and it automatically schedules the disputes for you. They have 2 versions, a free version that allows you to dispute one item on TransUnion per month and a premium version with unlimited disputes across all 3 credit reporting agencies. If you need to dispute certain items on your credit report, you can definitely check out the Dovely app. Dovely is definitely changing the game when it comes to credit disputing and credit repair.